This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rhonda Koussevitzky. Perfect Pine Ridge pool home with wonderful open floor plan. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, light and bright, model perfect home. Stainless steel appliances, wine rack, granite counters and amp, pantry, knockdown ceilings, beautiful travertine bathrooms, laundry room with full-size washer/dryer, French doors for tons of natural light, screened and covered patio, heated saltwater pool and large, fully fenced backyard. Close to shopping, schools and parks. For more information, review the details below or contact Rhonda Koussevitzky at 954-914-5228.